back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
You got the Iceman, Donnie Atkins, pulling out on the racetrack. In that 71, Keith Bain in that 00. T4, Matthew Tarbin, 135. Travis Jamison, 57. We're going to start the hot laps on that 23 of Brian Lambert. When he fires, he just fired, so hot lap time for these Thunder Bombers. Hot lap time for the Thunder Bombers. We got the futures out here on the racetrack. You got the T4 of Michael Simmons, 39 of Tyler Fuller. Done won them all here this year, but 2. They gonna go green on the 39, so when he fire, it'll be time to go. How about the 03 of Carson Taylor? How about John McAbee in that 175? T4, Michael Simmons is the fastest at the moment. Tyler Fuller is to the point. Michael Simmons just spun it around in 1 and 2 in the hot laps. Boy, he better keep that thing straight. There's a little more Thunder Bombers futures out here tonight, what it usually are. He better keep it turned in the right direction. 602s, you'll be shortly after your Young Gun. 602, Red Clay 602s, you'll be shortly after Young Gun. You got Tyler Fuller with the fast with a 18.517. Then you got Matthew Tucker in a 683. It's good to see him back. Thank you. How about the 33 of Team Oreo, Sean Thomas in Cadet in that 33 ride. '83 of Ray Story. How about the 14 of Blake Lyons? 28, Jeff Queen. '28, gonna start on him. How about Tim Tollison in that 9 car? Red Clay 602s be making your way. Red Clay 602s be making your way. You are after the young guns. Red Clay 602 be making your way. Randy Clark Jr. in that 44. Good to see him back. How about the 58 of Jeremiah Teal? Red Clay 602's been making your way over here to staging. Red Clay 602's, you are up next. Young Guns is on the racetrack. You got Scoop Dog Wilson in that 33. How about Zach Wilson back in that 15? They don't want him a race here this year. The 73. Braden Langston. Randy Clark Jr. is the fastest at the moment in hot laps. Randy Clark Jr. is fastest at the moment in hot laps. You got Randy Clark Jr. with an 18.712. Scoop Dog Wilson in at 33 with an 18.841. Zach Wilson in the 15 with an 18.992. We want to take the time and thank all the Crown Vics. Keep showing back up. Anytime we tell them we're going to run them, they do show up and race with us. How about the M1 of Justin Murray, 35 of Chandler Baker. $14 of Jason Lanford. 64 of Alan Towson. 16 Ellie Hightower. X Jacob McAbee. 57 Josh Valentine. 1 of Zach Minders. We got Charlie Minders outside the gate trying to get on the racetrack. Charlie Minders and Mr. Chris Minders. The 57 and the 66 trying to pull out on the Speedway. Yep. Stock 4 be making your way to staging. Stock 4. You are up next for hot lap. Stock 4, so be making your way to staging. Stock 4. 916. Start 4. $1,500 payday in the start 4. You got the 117. Matt Gilbert, you got the 58 of TJ Teal. You got the 122. Ray Hire. How about the J11? Ronnie Johnson. You got the T11 of Tyler Johnson. Stacy Brock in that 9604 of Philip Wilson. 00 of Billy Moore.
Oh, one around. Front wheel drive out on the Speedway, our final class here at the 2025 Shrine Race to take time on the Speedway during this hot lap session. Mitchell Coggins, the promoter of Harris Speedway in the 212 machine. Trent Blackwell in the 22 machine. Willie Fowler out of Rutherford, North Carolina in the 4 machine as well. And the 14 also out on the Speedway. Trenton Sherbert in the 14 behind the wheel. Siebert. There we go. Hang on with me. We'll get it in a minute.